Today we're having a look at some of the other things that you can do on Skillshare besides just art courses and all of those design-related classes. While it's true that Skillshare is your safest bet for graphic design courses, illustration courses, and anything that has to do with the creative field, there are many free and premium courses you can take here on other topics as well. Now you can go ahead and just create a free account, or if you want to get access to the premium courses, I have left a link for you in the description below, so you can get 2 months for free for the premium videos. Just remember to cancel this account by the time those 2 free months end if you don't want to be using Skillshare for another year. And you can cancel at any time during the 2 premium months that you get for free and still be able to see the premium videos for the rest of those 2 months. Now, before I get started, I want you to keep in mind that some of the courses you'll find here can also be found on other websites such as Udemy. This means that you'll be able to get access for free during those 2 months to these courses on Skillshare, and basically you don't have to buy each course individually on Udemy anymore. Now, one famous type of courses people always look for is the Excel classes. You can just go ahead and pick one that is recommended. And for instance, this class is for beginners, but you can go click on the instructor. And if you scroll down, you will find some other classes from this same teacher. So you can go and advance your skills on a particular topic. Another way of finding classes is just looking for the keyword you're interested in, and you will find here a lot of classes you can take either for free, which you can select from the class type filter, or premium courses, for which you will need to have a premium account. Now, under the same business analytics section, you have a lot of content for learning Google Analytics, for instance. This here is a great course to get you started with Google Analytics. It is a premium course though, but it is taught by a Google Analytics strategist, and it's original content, which means it was created in partnership with Skillshare, and you can only find it on this website. Another similar original course is this one for visual thinking, drawing data to communicate ideas. This course is free, so you can definitely check it out. There's also this course on SEO from Rand Fishkin, again an original course on Skillshare, and it's one of the most popular courses on search engine optimization on Skillshare. What you will notice with these original courses is that most of them are created in partnership with a company, for this case Typeform, on teaching you how you can make the most out of user feedback, or this free course from Mixpanel for product analytics. Now, if you think analytics is a bit of a boring topic, the best part of Skillshare is definitely the freelance and entrepreneurship section. In these courses, you get the insights of real freelancers and CEOs who can teach you how they took their business to the next level. Really, any freelancer, for instance, can teach you how to get started with your own freelancing career. And it's really a great way of seeing how others did it before and how they managed to achieve success on their own. There's also courses to help you get started with a business that you want to pursue. Or maybe you want to start selling t-shirts online. In this case, Skillshare, as you can notice, offers free courses, so it only takes a bit of your time for you to dedicate to learning what makes your future business successful. And it's much better than just starting with no idea in mind and making the mistakes yourself, when you can find out all of the tips and tricks from other people who have gone through this experience already. Then there's the leadership and management section, where you can find courses such as how to get a job, which obviously is a free course because most people who would be looking for a job won't really have the money to put into a course. So this is definitely a great help to anybody who needs some advice on finding a new job. You can also find short courses if you don't have too much time, such as this free course on the best to-do list tips. That's only 14 minutes long. And you'll notice how, while some courses are dedicated to employees and freelancers and people getting started within a business, you can also find courses that are dedicated to managers and leaders who want to put a business together and create a successful work culture or hire the right people. My favorite category though remains the marketing one, where I have actually posted my own courses, which you will be able to access if you have a premium account. Again, you can find the link in the description below for the 2 free months. So you can take those 2 months and really get access to all of the premium videos that you are interested in. Now this section is pretty straightforward. You have Instagram courses, such as this one on the best practices for Instagram, a bunch of other social media marketing courses, branding courses for entrepreneurs, and even more targeted courses such as this one on social media for creative people. So this course, which I've actually taken, takes all artists through the process of using social media so you can know what distinguishes promoting yourself as an artist from promoting, let's say, a fashion business, a clothes store, a restaurant, or anything like this. Now, of course, besides the creative and business related courses, you've also got some lifestyle classes that will teach you anything from brewing the best coffee, which by the way is a free course and you can literally learn everything you need in this course, and even a foreign language. This class on learning Spanish, for instance, you can also find on Udemy, but at the same time you can access it here for free during those 2 free premium months. And at the end, I'm just going to go through a list of productivity classes that are really what you need to get that inspiration to really get started with all of the other classes, because after all, you only need a bit of motivation to sit through any class. So at the end, I'm leaving you with this productivity masterclass, which you can use for some inspiration and motivation to get you started with advancing your current skills. For more videos like this, let me know in the comments below if maybe you want some more recommendations. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Again, the link for Skillshare is in the description below. And most importantly, remember to actually do the classes and dedicate at least a few minutes each day, or maybe during a weekend or anytime you have some free time, to actually pursue your dream of learning a new skill. I wish you the best and see you soon in the next video.